Hello everyone, I'm Surbhi and today I'll show you how you can draw this easy mandala by using basic shapes. In this, as you can see, I have used lines, dots, circles and spirals, and that's it. And you don't need to draw any grid to draw this mandala. Now let's begin. I've already drawn the circles with black pen and you can see the measurements. These are the measurements of the circles. Just draw all these circles with pen, and now we will start to draw our mandala. And if you don't want to draw with measurements, just draw the circles as per the patterns we want, smaller or bigger. Now for the center design, grab a pencil and divide this circle in 4 parts like this. And then grab your pen and start drawing the pattern. Make these lines with pen. And then start drawing lines like this. Vertical lines in the first portion, and horizontal line in this second portion. So we need to draw lines like this in opposite directions. And so just complete this pattern. So in the first row we will just draw small circles like this. So just draw small circles and fill the gap between two circles like this. So we are going to complete this row like this. Just draw circle and fill the gap between the circles. So as I already said, we are only using very simple designs in this mandala, just lines, dots and circles. So even if you are an absolute beginner, you can draw this mandala. So now let's complete this. So after completing this, in the next row we are going to draw line and dot. So draw a line and a dot and draw another in the opposite direction like this. Draw a line and a dot in opposite directions. So this is also very easy pattern. Anyone can draw this. So now let's complete this row. And if you are someone who wants to learn basics of mandala art, you can learn mandala from my beginners mandala course. I'll drop the link in the description. So in the next row we are going to draw spirals. So draw spirals like this. So we are going to draw only spirals in this row and then fill the gap. So draw spirals and fill the gap. So we are going to complete this row by using only spirals. So now let's complete this row and also keep filling these gaps. In the next row, start drawing lines. So draw 3 lines. And after drawing 3 lines, draw 3 dots like this. And then again draw 3 lines. And again dots. So in this row, we are going to draw lines and dots like this. So just complete this row by drawing lines and dots. And then just fill this row completely with black pen like this. So we are going to fill this row completely. So now let's complete this. So now our mandala is completed, and the last row which is left, if you want you can draw some simple lines in this row, or if you want you can just leave it like this, and I am leaving it like this. So this mandala is completed, and if you want any specific mandala tutorial, let me know in the comments so I can make that. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.